Say we'll do cat introductions part 4. And we'll start with this little feisty beauty. This is Miss Freya. Hi, Freya. How are you? Miss Spicy Torty herself. And there's Elsie again. Say, hey, Elsie. And then let's see who's out on the catio. Let's see, we already know a Nano. That's an Abraxas. And we got a Miss Chewy. And a Crispy. Just all laid out. Those are the 2 new girls. There's a Willow again. And there's an Ernie. Hey, Ernie. Psst. He also can't be bothered. And there's the Sasha. Hey, Sasha. Oh, and look who's up here. Miss Snickers. Oh, boy. So little Miss Snickers only has one eye. Say she had to have a surgery. She had a bad infection. She don't miss it at all. Look at her. Beautiful. Hey, buggies. And there's a Fluff again.